Ravi Dubey on his hot new avatar on Jamai Raja 2.0 never thought this adjective would be used for me. Ever since the trailer of Jamai Raja 2.0 hit the tube, fans have been going gaga over Ravi Dubey's new avatar. The popular actor's brawny looks complements that of his glamorous leading lady, Nia Sharma, in the new web show. However, not someone to fish for compliments, Dubey shrugs it off and humbly shares that he has no idea how he is looking in the show. In an exclusive chat with IndianExpress.com, the actor further shared, "Honestly, never in my life I thought that this adjective would be used for me. I did work hard so that I look decent enough opposite Nia. Given that we had a packed schedule, where we had to shoot 10 episodes in 25 days, I didn't even have time to sleep." As he handed over the baton to his co-star, like a true friend, Nia added, "I think the guy has just turned hotter in the season. A lot of my girlfriends, and I am sure many other women, are swooning over him. It's definitely a new version of Ravi, and we have to give it to him for working so hard." Jamai Raja, as readers would remember, aired on Zee TV. Given its popularity and love for its lead characters Roshni and Sid, the network decided to launch a spin-off on ZEE5, titled Jamai Raja 2.0. While the first season of the web series primarily touched upon their love story, the latest one seems to delve into a thriller, as a murder mystery leads the narrative. We asked Ravi about his take on show's rebirth, that is dabbling in a new genre. He stated that the move is part of evolution and one should be ready to cater to all flavors in the palette. You cannot be unilateral or else one will get stuck. Having said that, I must also say that it's important to retain the core. In the pursuit to bring about change, people sometimes undermine what is being liked by the audience. Hence, in the new season, while you will get to witness a lot of thrill and chills, at its soul, the story is about Roshni and Sid. The equation has been elevated and some very interesting characters have also been added. Our fans will not miss the chemistry. On the other hand, they will enjoy all the interpersonal dynamics between the various characters. Talking about the new trend of spin-offs, especially on the web, the actor said that while he did not expect such an exuberant welcome, he always had a good feeling about his brand, Jamai Raja. "I have been with the show for a long time, and I did have a gut that it would go on to something good. However, it did come as a surprise to see people love the web show as much as they did it on TV. I think as actors, creatives and producers, we all crave for such loyalty and unconditional love. We must have done something right that Jamai happened to us. The audience that watched us earlier today are part of a different TG, and yet they shower us with so much love. I am grateful to all of them." Jamai Raja has also been the last fiction show that Ravi Dubey did on television. While he has been busy hosting TV shows, we wondered if the quality of content has kept him away from taking up serials. "When I make a commitment, I want to stick to it. When I shot for the last episode of Jamai, I felt satiated. I had achieved the creative satisfaction that I was aiming for, and there was nothing else I could do. After that, I decided that whatever I do would have to be finite projects, as that helps me get on it passionately and intensely. It's just the way I function. It's not about good or bad content, I just don't want to get bored," concluded the actor. Jamai Raja 2.0 Season 2 is streaming on ZEE5.